Today, I want to tell you a story, a gentle, honest, meaningful story about learning from mistakes. There was a Matkand Arnav. Arnav was a good student, but he was afraid of making mistakes. When he made a mistake, he felt embarrassed. He felt sad. He wanted to stop trying. One day, Arnav had a spelling test in class. He studied hard, but he still made some mistakes. When he saw his paper, he felt disappointed. He thought, I am not smart. I always do things wrong. After class, his teacher called him. She asked kindly, Arnav, why do you look upset? Arnav said slowly, I made mistakes. I feel bad. The teacher smiled gently and said, do you know how we learn? By trying, by practicing, by making mistakes. She continued, if you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying anything new. She showed him his old notebook. She said, look here. Your writing was not good before, but now it is much better. That improvement happened because you kept practicing. Arnav looked carefully. It was true, he smiled a little. From that day, Arnav stopped being afraid of mistakes. When he made a mistake, he learned from it. He tried again. He improved slowly, and his confidence grew. Because mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Mistakes help you grow. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep trying. And always remember, every mistake is a step towards success.